Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we're going to be working here on a Dodge vehicle. So if you guys have a specific code and engine light on, okay, the code is P0073 Ambient Air Temperature sensor. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to explain how to take care of that. Now, we have this Dodge right here, guys, a 2012 Dodge. Now let me show you, engine light is on. Okay, so if we go ahead and start the car, okay, if I start the car, you're going to notice that the engine light, okay, stays on. Stays on, and you have a negative 40 right here. So what we'll be doing, guys, will be for any Dodge, okay, any Dodge, not just the Dodge Journey. So we have that scanner here, guys. This is not a very expensive scanner, and you can, okay, find it listed in the description of the video below. So we're going to click read codes, okay, and see what we have, guys. P0073, okay, ambient air temperature sensor circuit high, and you can see we have engine light on and negative 40 right here. So what is causing that thing, guys? Let us explain. If that sensor doesn't work, the car will be getting a wrong data that it's too cold outside. As a result, guys, okay, you might experience poor fuel economy, not enough power and all that stuff. So now if we go outside, usually the ambient air temperature sensor is located somewhere behind the front bumper in most cases, and in our case, okay, it's right there. So you can see this is the sensor, this is the clip. So we need to remove it now right here. Okay, that red thing, pull back, press in, disconnect. This is the old sensor. We're going to grab the new one quick. Okay, let me go ahead and grab it quick. And in the meantime, okay, you need to inspect your connector here and everything to make sure everything's fine. Okay, this is the new one. We will install that thing now. Perfect. Now I'll go inside and we're going to see if that solves our problem. Sometimes it could be a wire, okay, a broken wire as well. So ignition on, engine not running. We're going to go ahead, connect the scanner now. We'll go back, erase codes. Okay, the light is blinking. Now I'm going to turn, okay, I'm going to turn the ignition off. Start it now, guys. Okay, and check out, no engine light, and here it is showing 57 degrees. So we're ready to go, guys. That's how you fix it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.